Christmas was one jollification. You had a great time. All of the cousins them come, and my home in the country was the hub, you know, man. And people come from all around. This is when now your cousin, auntie, uncle, and all the people them from foreign come. This is when now the big brother and the big sister come all with girlfriend, you know, or boyfriend, and they come down upon the train to enjoy Christmas with the family. So Christmas done, the tie them broke up. You're tired of the dolly because it is very fascinating to see the dolly asleep each time you put it down, but locks, you kind of want the dolly eye stay open. On top of which, you did screw off the head in the first place to find out what make the dolly eye have to sleep when you turn it down. So really and truly, by New Year's Eve, the dolly kind of mash up on it. Christmas did kind of done. But your family tradition is that you must take yourself off to watch night service. And certainly in my family, my father went to church really and truly 3 times per year. Christmas, Sunday, Good Friday, and the New Year's service. My mother go to church every week, and we had to go. Well, me dear, me never like watch night service yet. Because while me looking forward to the new year, because everybody talk about the new year like things was going to become suddenly very different, and I want to experience this difference of the new year, which, by the way, when I was a little girl, me never really experienced much difference. In fact, the one little difference me did want to experience was escaping the watch night service. Because first of all, I did walking again. And me don't know why church have to stay. Why church have to be so far from your yard? And I was a Catholic. And it's like my Catholic church was the farthest church. Me past Baptist, me past Anglican, me past Adventist. And I said, Jesus, why couldn't I be a Baptist? Because Baptist was just there. But me have to walk 1.5 miles to go to watch night service. And when me was a girl, you know, the mass was in Latin. So it's bad enough that me have to walk so far, but me not understand what the father say. Because it's in a Latin, but me I keep up anyway. You go and mass start. The only good thing is that you have on a nice pretty dandan and we get a chance to show off. But then now, the service start and you say to yourself, by God and all mankind, I will be awake to see this new year. And when you find yourself a nod, you open your eye out wide. When you find so that you lean off too far to one side and the smother where you catch pan kind of shake you off, you sit up straight because you're determined to see the dawn of the new year. Well, see ya, me don't know about you, but me never see New Year's yet until New Year come and it was almost noon because me always fall asleep when it's watch night service. God forgive me because me don't know where me to watch for, but me never see it. Come me drop asleep. And like I said, the mass was in Latin, so that never helped. Corpus Christi.